Hi everyone in first year, section 2 and section 4. Welcome to this podcast. We are going to be covering the weeks of February 19th, February 26th, and March 5th, if you can believe it. All right, before we start talking about your homework, I have a special message from two of your fellow students.
Hi, I'm Lulu, and this is Ashley.
Hi, we're the students that are going to be representing you guys in Germany this May coming up. So we need your help, like big time. So we need help from first years, second years, third years, fundraising ideas, anything that you have that can help us. We have a lot of money that we still need to raise, and really encourage your collaboration with us. Next week, February 21st, Wednesday, UB, we will be selling popcorn in the nutrition room. Really encourage you guys to come, help us out, and come have great conversations with us, and spend some time with us. What she said.
If people can't come next Wednesday, are there other ways that they can help?
Definitely. You guys can send us a bio, or you can stalk us down the hallways, and either you can help us with ideas for fundraising, or if you have if you'd like to help us as well. We'd love to include all of you guys in this, because you guys could be the future students coming to represent us in Germany.
Sounds about right.
Okay, so an important message from Ralu and Ashley there. They are going to Germany in May, representing the Vanier ECE department, and they do need to raise some money. So if you can help out in any way, either by buying some popcorn next Wednesday, or if you have any ideas, or if you'd like to volunteer to help at any future fundraising efforts, let me know or let Ralu and Ashley know, and we'll set that up. Also, first year students, just to let you know that going to Germany is something that you can get involved with as well. We will be having a meeting sometime in this semester to talk about next year's Germany trip for spring 2019. All right. If you have not already done so, go and get your agenda, your calendar, your phone, however it is you're writing everything down, because here we go. This is your schedule. We're talking about the week of February 19th. First thing is, for Franca's play course, she asks you to keep up with reading your chapters. That's important. And also to make sure you read the PDF about make-believe play that she loaded up onto Omnivox for you. And just a reminder to bring your play binder to your play lab each week. That's a reminder from Franca. All right, for your safety course on the 20th, Tuesday the 20th, you'll be having your third in-class assignment, and the topic for that is supervision. In my health class, also that week on Thursday, the 22nd of February, you will be having 2 in-class assignments, each worth 5%. And to prepare for those, you will want to reread the sections in our Wellbeings textbook about hand washing and diapering. So that is on Thursday, the 22nd of February. And then just a reminder, in your safety class on Friday, as every Friday, bring the manual. All right, looking now at the week of February 26th. On Tuesday, the 27th, for your safety course, please bring your textbook to class, read chapter 5, and on that day, there will be an in-class assignment. For my health class, on the Thursday of that week, please read chapters 7 and chapter 10. And of course, for safety, bring your manual to class on Friday. Last but not least, looking at the week of March 5th, very exciting. You see spring break there, but you haven't quite made it. So what do you have coming up in the week of the 5th? On Tuesday, March 6th, it's your midterm in safety, and that is worth a whopping 25%, and it covers everything that you have looked at in safety up until the 27th of February. I will be posting some readings on Omnivox for my health course on the topics of nap time and children's sleep, rest, and relaxation. Important to read those. And bring your manual to safety on Friday. All right, so if at this point in the semester you feel like this poor Olympic bobsledder, yikes, I have some advice for you. right through the nose. Alrighty. As always, if you have any tips about staying organized, time management, send those to me, and you could be a podcast star. Also, if you have something that you would like to advertise, like Ralu and Ashley did, let me know and I'll set that up. You can always post your comments on YouTube. You can get a full transcript of any podcast by clicking on transcript underneath the video. And of course, stay tuned for the next announcement, which will mean that there will be a fresh podcast dropping for you. That's all the information I have for the next 3 weeks. Have a great week, everybody. Thanks. Bye.